so much for logging on to ABC15.com on this Tuesday here. I'm Allison Rodriguez. So our warm-up is going to continue. We're going to be clear all week, but I am tracking those triple digits coming up in that 7-day forecast. 95 degrees is where we're going to get to today. Warmer and dry. Those winds a little bit lighter for us, about 5 to 10 miles an hour. But here's a look at those drier conditions that we are tracking with Futurecast here. Could see some isolated rain showers tomorrow morning out into the White Mountains and down into southeastern Arizona. But other than that, not really tracking a whole lot. Here's what we are looking out for. Those stronger winds today, specifically up to the north of us, right, and down to the south, they'll pick up a little bit as well. So expecting those stronger breezes up in the northern half of the state. The valley staying relatively quiet, and then all of us will die down a little bit here as we get into tonight. As we look at your temperature gauge here, hour by hour, you'll notice the warmest times are going to be in that mid to late afternoon time, and then slowly we'll drop back down into the 80s by the time we hit 7 o'clock, keeping those clearing skies. Your UV index is going to be at a 7 today, so the burn time is about 30 minutes or less. So if you do work outdoors, be extra careful. Have that sunblock with you. Take a look at your valley highs today, about mid 90s for us, which is near average. So we'll take that. Few spots won't make it into the 90s like Wickenburg and Cave Creek. Those outer lying areas, typically a couple degrees less warm than the rest of the valley. Now, as we look across the state, warmer overall. I actually upped all of these temperatures here. We're talking upper 70s in Prescott, Payson, 80s in Sedona, 60s in Flagstaff, and 70s along the rest of the rim. We'll still see those very warm temps out to the west and southwest. We're talking mid to low 90s, right? All those spots will drop into the 60s tomorrow morning. We'll see 50s up to the north, 30s still in those cool areas like Flagstaff and the Grand Canyon, and also out to Window Rock as well. A look at our temperatures for the morning show we're going to be a couple degrees below average as well. Still, we're going to see those 60s by the time we're waking up, mid to low 60s, so it'll still be a mild, relatively cool start to the day. Take a look at where we're going to warm up to, though, by tomorrow. We're going up to 98 degrees, close to triple digits by Thursday, and on Friday, I think we're going to hit that triple digit mark. Your weekend also looking a little bit on the warm side before things start to level out a little bit by the beginning of the next work week.